As I step outside, I invite my mind to settle into the rhythm of my breath. Each footfall becomes a gentle reminder of my connection to the earth. I feel the ground beneath me, solid and supportive, as I focus on the sensation of my feet touching the pavement. With every step, I release distractions, letting them drift away like leaves in the wind. I tune into the sounds around me, the rustle of leaves, the distant chatter of birds, the soft whisper of the breeze. Each sound is a part of this moment, a reminder to be present. I notice the colors of the world, the vibrant greens, the soft blues, and the warm hues of the earth. With each inhale, I draw in peace, and with each exhale, I let go of tension. This walk is not just a journey through space, but a journey within. I embrace the stillness and the movement, allowing my mind to quiet and my spirit to awaken.